What is this? Ooh, Advent calendar. Wait, I thought I got all my Advent calendars unboxed. I bought another one. Hey everyone, WIGO Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what the Ipsy $99 Advent calendar has to offer, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so new to me, and I think new to Ipsy, is an advent calendar. I love doing advent calendars. Last year I did more than this year because I learned which ones are good and which ones are bad. This is a new one, so I'm super excited. Let's see what $99 brings. And I'm not gonna lie, this guy is pretty small in comparison with the glossy box for the same price, $99, where you got 25 items, I believe 11 makeup, 13 skincare, and 16 were full size. Something around that. If you missed it, I have the video in the eye above. Okay, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what this calendar is all about. Okay, so the theme of the advent calendar is all is bright. Let's take a look at how they do the days. Okay, so it does open up like so. Let's see what can fall out. I just knew, so they would fall out. All right, I'm gonna set it behind me, and that way we can look at something pretty, and then I'm gonna grab each box, unbox, and have a jolly old time in editing. What I'm noticing is, I don't know if I knew this when I ordered it, the reason it's small is this is only a 12-day calendar. All right, let's go to day one. All right, here is day one. Very small. Everything looks like it's going to be a lip product, but ooh, maybe because it's small, it's going to be all makeup. Wouldn't that be lovely? All right, day one. Oh, good God. Did I spend $99 on a bunch of Ipsy Glam bag products, the little samples? Positive energy. Let's do this too to make sure there's some full-size products in this bag. This here is the Bang Mascara from Benefit, and it's a sample size. All right, day two, what you got? Day two at least feels a little heftier than day one. Please be full size. Okay, so we have a product from a brand I'm not familiar with called Bassy Beauty. And this is a Bronzy AF palette. Ooh, is this full size? Possibly. All right, it does come with a mirror, and those look lovely. Day two, little redemption. Let's do some swatches. They were a little powdery, but on my hand, I'm liking the shades. They don't seem to be overly Oompa Loompa orange, so that's always a good start. Okay. Day three. All right, day three. Please be good. Good-ish. Okay, so this is a good brand. It's tiny. This could be full size though. I noticed these blush sticks tend to be really small. We have from Milk Makeup a lip and cheek cream product in the shade Werk. Let's do a swatch. That looks lovely. I'm sporting a bunch of lip products, but let's see if this will go on top of some lip gloss. It looks lovely. Normally I don't like those cheap products on my lips, but this one's pretty good. Okay, so far so good-ish. 3 out of 3 are makeup products. All right, on to day 4. What is this? We have from a brand called bioClarity the Barefaced Exfoliating Enzyme Jelly Cleanser. This seems to be a sample. I'm not familiar with this brand, and this does come safety sealed. All right, well, it's our first non-makeup product. On to day 5. Come on, day 5, be good. Oh, it's another small sample. We have a product from Origins, Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willowherb. Okay, it's not safety sealed, so I don't know if that will pick up. It feels lovely. It does have a scent that don't make me explain. It's not bad. It's kind of herbal, spa-like. You know, if you go to a shishi spa and you get a facial and they put something, that it kind of reminds me of that. All right, sample. All right, day 6. Be good, because, you know, with 12 days, there's not many days left to, oh, whatever it is, it's very small. This is from Glamglow, and it's Supermud. It's a clearing treatment. I assume this is going to be some kind of mask that you know, leave on. This is a very small sample for a mask. I would argue it's a one-time use. Not pleased with that. All right, day 7, what you got? Oi. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've ordered this. Were you aware that it was only a 12-day calendar? Okay, this is making me happier. It is a mini travel sample size, but it is from a shishi brand. This is from, or how I refer to as shishi. We have a lip gloss from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and this is in a vintage, what does that say? It's a vintage lip gloss. What surprises me is it says it's made in the PRC. ABH, what you doing? Or is that an Ipsy thing? All right, let's do a swatch. That's a lovely dusty rose. And why not? I got 17 products on. What's one more? It's a lovely shade. It smells sweet. It's not sticky. It's shiny. It's everything I love in a lip gloss. Just not full size and made in the PRC. All right. What is day 8 gonna bring? Why couldn't day 8 be day 9? I don't know if it's good or not, but it's heavy and it's a large flat box. I'm hoping it's a palette. What is this? Okay, I know this brand. This is from Deuce or Duce, and this is the Freematic Eyeshadow Pro Palette. Ooh, for a second, I thought this was gonna be a dupe. I recently got an Ipsy mystery bundle bag, and it had a product from this brand and a palette the exact same size, but that was like a face palette. So, ooh, this packaging is hefty. This weighs a ton, so quality. Okay, I do remember now. This is lovely. What I'm remembering is with this brand, what I don't like is the colors look lovely, but the packaging does not open more than this. So you're stuck at this weird angle. That is a lovely Wygo Warrior friendly neutral palette. And there's a covering over this. So I'm wondering if it's a creamier like product. And I just so happened to not put on highlighter today. So if this is highlighter, let's throw it on my face. Interesting. I was struggling to get the little lid off and the whole thing came out and I thought I broke it. But this is like a Z palette. That's really cool. All right, let's do a swatch. Oh, okay. And it doesn't lift, it slides. That's why I couldn't get this. Okay, it slides this way. Oh, it's not creamy, but it has that lid. I don't know why, but let's do a swatch that you won't be able to see because I'm so fair. Let's just throw it on my face. It's nice. Is it the blingiest? No. Will I use it? Yeah. All right. On to my birthday. What is day 9 gonna bring? Sounds teeny tiny. It is teeny tiny. It is a travel size. It was different teeny tiny. For some reason I thought it was gonna be the Illamasqua highlighter. Although we just got a highlighter. Alright, so what is this? We have a black eyeliner. It says cake pencil. And then it says Trooper Black 10. So I don't know if when I see cake pencil, if that means it's from Beauty Bakery or if, I don't know. I'm confused at who the brand is, but I will do some research and hopefully something will be on the screen that I will use this. It's tiny. The better product for my birthday would have been this one, but they all can't be winners. All right, we're almost done with this one, at least. Yeah. Okay, what are we? Day 10. We have an eye primer from M2U, and I swear to God, I just picked this up in an add-on haul. Oh well, hopefully it's good, because now I think I have a backup. All right, day 11. A box within a box. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Misco or Misho Beauty. And this is the Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm. And this is in the shade Ijama. Pretty packaging. Oh, okay. It looks a little dark. However, sometimes these are sheer and it doesn't look as dark, and other times they call it a lip balm, but it's more like a lipstick. I'm on the fence. I'm going to not swatch in case this goes in a giveaway. All right, that was day 11, right? Yeah. Day 12 isn't very big. You would think this would be in a 12-day. This is the biggest, heaviest, nicest product so far. Okay, day 12. What do you got? No, it's not even heavy. It feels like all of the other boxes. Oh, you're at least going to be full size? No, I don't know. It's very tiny. What is this? Okay, so we have a very tiny product here called Define Me, or that's the name of the brand, or is the brand Sophia Isabel? I don't know. I'm confused. Have never heard of either of those words. Is this another lip product? Oh, it's an oil of some sort. We have, what are you? A serum? Oh, are you a perfume? Yes, it's all, oh my God, I don't know if they'll pick up. It's like, I'm like, why is it half empty? It's all over my, ugh. Kind of smells good. Don't make me describe it. It's a perfume of some sort, or a, oh my God, that's too much though. It did come with plastic around it. Not that plastic did any good. And see how it's like halfway. Yeah, it all leaked out. All right. Had I known it was only 12-day, I would not have bought it. So hopefully I can save you money and the hassle and the disappointment. All right, let's recap what came in the first and probably last ever Ipsy Advent Calendar. So we got half a bottle of a perfume or scented oil, a lip balm, a mini black eyeliner, a sample size exfoliating cleanser, a sample facial moisturizer, a very small clarifying mud mask, a cheek and lip product from Milk Makeup, a mini lip gloss from ABH, a sample mascara from Benefit, a contour palette, an eyeshadow primer, and the star of this box, an 8-pan eyeshadow palette with a highlighter. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are run for the hills and save your money. The entire time I was unboxing that, Alexandria Ryan was popping through my head. OMG. An advent calendar should have value. I can't imagine, to me in my head as I was unboxing, this was less than $99. Although I'm going to assume this is going to be like $50 at least. But all the other samples, there's no way that, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to do some research. List on the screen the MSRP value of all these travel sample mini sizes. Wish me luck. I think the eye primer was full size. This is going to be full size. I think that's it. Maybe that milk cheek and lip item is full size. There wasn't a lot. There was a lot of makeup, so that was good-ish. Oh my goodness. Why did I not know that this was a 12-day calendar? Do they have both and I screwed up? I don't know. Leave me a comment. Can you tell how dissatisfied I am? Ugh. All right, well, the positive in this whole experience is that hopefully I saved you some money. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe for those who have. Thank you. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it does help my channel to grow. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you got suckered into buying this calendar as well. Or a nice little thank you because you saved me $99 comment. That would make my day. All right. Thanks, everyone.